Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's January 27th, 2024, and we had a big thaw, our January thaw, and all of the snow is gone right now, which is really nice. It's been a very mild winter so far. Mild meaning that we haven't had the consistent cold or nearly as much snow as we usually get. I've only snowblowed twice. There were a couple of times that I could have snowblowed, but there was only like 4 or 5 inches out there at a time, each time. But when we get a foot, then I go on out and I use the snowblower. Thea and I have both been pretty busy doing office work, paperwork, getting ready for tax season coming up, getting all our book work done for the businesses and all. So that's taking us a fair amount of time. And today I had to go over to the work area and do a couple of things there. One of the heat tapes on the water line was no longer functioning, so I just replaced that. I'm going to change a sink. I'll go over that in the future with you. But I just felt the desire to get out today. I spend so much time in the office in front of the computer working on things and doing the used book business and all. It's a bit of a hassle, but I'm down here just by the large pond down here. The large beaver dam is right over there between these couple of big ash trees right here. Still quite a bit of ice on it now, but it's all thawing pretty rapidly. I think it's going to get up to 39 degrees Fahrenheit today, and I thought, okay, I'm going to get on Pepe, take a quick ride down and back. There are a lot of trees down in the forest, but I don't want to disturb the deer because they are doing some browsing during the daytime today. And I don't want to mess with them since it hasn't been very pleasant. Yesterday, I think we got a little over 1 1/4 inches of rain. So I decided to come down here and check on the roadway. So we'll take a look at that. This is the most recent section of road that I put in around the ponds down here, not up on the new property. This is pretty good shape, holding up very well. Last time I came down here, the bottom of Pepe was dragging in the snow. Have been maintaining all of the, when we had the decent days, they did some more work right here, which has really slowed down the water coming down in this area. All the little spillways are working pretty well here. So this is okay right in here, this amount. This is all lots of big heavy stone wall, about 3 foot deep of stones from the stone walls that I excavated 2 years ago. So it's not going to do much erosion here. This area here, so there's a lower Beaver Pond here, upper Beaver Pond up there that we were just up by, and the third one is down over there, and which you can't really see. But the water's running pretty well. We'll just go across this section here. There's some more erosion up ahead. Not much erosion there. So that leads down to the third beaver pond down there. You can see a muskrat hut possibly right straight ahead there. Might be able to see that. But here's one of the beaver crossings. And this is one I've had to patch in the past, and right up over here I patched as well. Not too bad. I'll have to put more stone in here. You can see the beaver have been working here. This is all in the last week or so. This spot here I'm going to have to fix. I don't have enough bigger stone in here. I'll have to do that. But this is the way to the upper roadway over here that the beaver made their channel through. So more work to do in this area here. Next spring, they took my baby oaks here. Remember I mentioned in previous videos I was going to dig up these two oaks, and they're both gone now. Oh, there's a couple of deer right there. I didn't see them down here when I just came through. But the water level's a little bit too high. You could see the beaver been working in here quite a bit. And the lowest beaver pond is over just on the other side of this wooded area here. So not a heck of a lot going on, just office work and all. I haven't felt the desire to make any of my reviews. I have several items that I do want, tools that I use, light sources. Want to do some updates on some of the reviews that I've done in the past, like the DeWalt tire pressure, portable battery operated light, and compressor for tires and all. I've used that a lot, and that has been fantastic. But just haven't been in the right frame of mind to make any videos, so I apologize for that. But I thought I'd make a quick video while I'm down and back here and checking out the spillways, and to see what sort of work I've got to do down here. So that's it for today's video, folks. I hope you're staying safe and taking good care of yourselves, and dealing with the extreme weather events that are going on all around the country and all around the world. So hang in there, take care, and stay safe. Bye-bye now.